Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about multiplication of decimals. Now consider a decimal 21.72. Now we are going to multiply this decimal number with the whole number. We are going to multiply them. First step is we have to ignore the decimal point and multiply normally. 2 into 2 is 4, 7 into 2 is 14, so write 4 here and 1 is remaining. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 into 2 is 4. Now we have multiplied and we have to count how many places are there after the decimal point. This is the decimal number. We have to count how many places are there after the decimal point. Here we have 1, 2. 2 places are there after the decimal point. So we have to keep the decimal point before the 2 places starting from the right. Now we are going to place the decimal point before 2 places. This is the first place and this is the second place. So the decimal point will be here. So the answer is 43.44. Next we are going to learn about multiply a decimal number with 10, 100 and 1000. Now consider the decimal number 21.772. We are going to multiply it with 10. We are going to multiply it with 10 first. First you have to look at the number of zeros. Here the number of 0 is 1. So we have to shift the decimal point to the right after 1 place. Here is the decimal point and the number of 0 is 1 here. So we have to move the decimal point after 1 place to the right. So the decimal point will be shifted here. So it is 217.72. If we multiply, this will be the answer. First we have to look at the zeros. Here the number of 0 is 1. So we have to move the decimal point to the 1 place to the right. So the answer is 217.72. Next, if we multiply it with 100 and consider the same decimal number 21.772. Here the number of zeros in 100 are 2. So we have to move 2 places to the right. This is the first place and this is the second place. So the decimal point will be moved here. So the answer is now let us consider the same example 21.772 and we are going to multiply it with 1000. Here the number of zeros are 3. So we are going to move 3 places to the right. First place, second place and third place. So the decimal point will come here. So the decimal point will come here. Next, there is no number here. So we can leave the decimal point. After the decimal point, we don't have any number. So let us leave the decimal point. So the answer is 21,772. Here the number of zeros are 3. So we have to move 3 places to the right. And the decimal point will come here. After the decimal point, we don't have any number. So we can leave the decimal point. So the answer will be 21,772. Now let us multiply 21.72 with the decimal number. Here we have multiplied it with the whole number. Now we are going to multiply it with the decimal number 1.2. First let us ignore the decimal point and multiply normally. 2 into 2 is 4, 7 2s are 14, so 1 is remaining. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 into 2 is 4. Next we are going to multiply it with number 1. 1 into 2 is 2, 1 7 is 7, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 2 is 2. Now we should add them. 4, 6, 10, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and here it is 2. We have multiplied and we have got the product. Now count how many places are there after the decimal point in two decimal numbers. Here both the numbers are decimal numbers. So count how many places are there after the decimal point. Here we have 1, 2 and 3. Totally we are having 3 places after the decimal point. So we have to keep the decimal point before 3 places starting from the right. Remember we have 3 places, 1, 2 and 3. So we have to keep the decimal point before 3 places from the right, 1, 2 and 3. So the answer is 26.064. In this way we have to multiply a decimal number with the whole number with 10, 100 and 1000 and a decimal number itself. Now we are going to solve exercise 7.2. The first problem is solve the multiplication problems. The first problem is 3.3 into 2. 3.3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Again 3 into 2 is 6. Now we have got the product. Now count how many decimal places are there after the decimal number. The decimal number here is 3.3. The number of places after the decimal point is 1. So we have to keep the decimal point before the 1 place starting from the right. So this is the answer, 6.6. Next, 1.23 into 18. 8 3s are 24. So write 4 here and 2 is remaining. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. So write 8 here and 1 is remaining. 1 into 8 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. We have completed the first line. Now we are going to write the second line. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 1 is 1. Now we have to add 4, 11, 8 plus 3 is 11. So write 1 here and carry 1 to next place. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So carry 1 to next place. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now count how many places are there after the decimal point. Here we have 2 places. So from the right 1 and 2. So here will be the decimal point. So the answer is 22.14. Next, 6.7, 3.4. Both the numbers are decimal numbers here. First multiply normally. 7 4s are 28. So write 8 here and 2 is remaining. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 7 3s are 21. We have to write 1 in the second line. 2 is remaining. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. Now add them. 8, 7, 2, 2. Now count how many places are there after the decimal point. Here we have 1 place and here we have 1 place. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have to keep decimal point before 2 places starting from the right. 1, 2. So here will be the decimal point. That is 22.78. Next, 21.1 into 1.67. If the decimal point is confusing, you can leave that. You can just leave that and multiply. 1 7 is 7, 1 7 is 7, 7 2s are 14. Next, we are going to write the second line. 1 6 is 6, 1 6 is 6, 6 2s are 12. We have completed the second line and now we are going to write the third line. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2. While writing the second line, we have to move one place and then write, and while writing the third place, we have to move 2 places and then start writing. Now we have to add the numbers. 7, 6 plus 7 is 13. So carry 1 to next place. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So write 2 here and 1 is carried to next place. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now count how many places are there after the decimal point. Here we have 1 place and here we have 2 places. Totally 3 places. So starting from the right, we have to count 3 places and then place the decimal. 1, 2 and 3. After the decimal point, we are having 3 places. So the answer is 35.237. This is the answer. 3.55 into 3.4. Ignore the decimal point and then multiply. 5 4s are 20, write 0 here and 2 is remaining. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. So write 2 here and again 2 is remaining. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. Next we are going to write the second line. 5 3s are 15. Write 5 here and 1 is remaining. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. Again 1 is remaining. 3 into 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Now we have to add 0, 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 4 is 10. So write 0 here and 1 is carried to next place. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2. Here we don't have any number, so write 1 as it is. Now count the number of places after the decimal. Here we have 1 and here we have 2. Totally 3 places. Starting from the right, count 3 places. 1, 2 and 3. Here will be the decimal point. So the number is 12.070. We can also keep the decimal point and multiply. It doesn't matter. If you can leave that, you can also leave that. If you want, you can keep them. Next 82.87 and 32.65. We are going to multiply them. First ignore the decimal point and then multiply. 7 5s are 35, so write 5 here and 3 is remaining. 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 3 is 43, so write 3 here and 4 is remaining. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So write 4 here and 1 is remaining. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 1 is 41. We have completed the first line. Now we are going to write the second line. 6 into 7 is 42. So write 2 here and 4 is remaining. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 4 is 52. Write 2 here and 5 is remaining. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So write 7 here and 1 is remaining. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. Next line. 7 2s are 14. So write 4 here and 1 is remaining. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Again 1 is remaining. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 2s are 16. Next, the fourth line. 7 3s are 21. So write 1 here and 2 is remaining. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. So write 6 here and 2 is remaining. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 3s are 24. Now we have to add. Put zeros if it is confusing. If it is confusing, you can put 0. Otherwise, you can leave that and add. Here it is 5. And here 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So write 0 here and 1 is carried to next place. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So write 7 here and 1 is carried to next place. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 plus 6 is 25. So write 5 here and 2 is carried to next place. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So write 0 here and 2 is carried to next place. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Here we don't have any number. We have only 2. So write 2 as it is. Now count how many decimal places are there after the decimal point. Here we have 2 places and here we have 2 places. So totally 4 places. So count 4 places starting from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is the decimal point. So the answer is 2705.7055. This is the answer. The second question is multiply the numbers. First write the number 0.828 7.15. 5 8s are 40. So write 0 here and 4 is remaining. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 1 is remaining. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 1 is 41. So write 1 here and 4 is remaining. 5 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Next we have to write the second line. 1 into 8 is 8. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 8 is 8. 1 into 0 is 0. Next the third line. 7 8s are 56. Leave 2 places and write here. 7 8s are 56. Write 6 here and 5 is remaining. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. So write 9 here and 1 is remaining. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 1 is 57. So write 7 here and 5 is remaining. 0 into 7 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. Now add them. 0. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 1 is carried to next place. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So write 0 here. 1 is carried to next place. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So write 2 here and carry 2 to next place. 2 plus 7 is 9. Here we don't have any number, so write 5 as it is. Now count how many places are there after the decimal. Here we have 3 places, here we have 2 places. Totally 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 places and here 2 places. Totally 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, here comes the decimal. So, the answer is 5.9202. 5.9202. Here there is a 0 in the last place. This 0 has no value. So, we can leave that 0 or we can also write that 0. It's optional. But that 0 has no value. So, we can leave that. Next, multiply the decimal numbers as directed. Now, the decimal numbers are given. We are going to multiply it by 10, 100 and 1000. First number is 10. The number of zeros here is 1. So, we have to move the decimal point 1 place to the right. We have to move the decimal point 1 place here. So, the number will be 3. A number is there, that is 0. 0 has no value here. So, we can leave that 0. We have to move the decimal point 1 place to the right. So, the decimal point will come here, that is here. So, the number will be 03.0. The 0 after the decimal point has no value and the 0 before 3 has no value. So, the number will be 3 and the decimal point is here now. The decimal point is here now and after the decimal we don't have any number. So, we can leave that decimal point. Next, we have to multiply it by 100. 100 has 2 zeros. So, move the decimal point 2 places. 1 and 2. Here comes the decimal point. Here there is no value. Here there is no number. So, we have to put 0 in that place. We have to move 2 places to the right. 1, 2. Here we don't have any number. So, we have to put 0. So, the number is 30. Next, multiply by 1000. So, 1000 has 3 zeros. Now, we are going to move the decimal point 3 places. 1, 2 and 3. Here will be the decimal point. Here also we don't have any number. So, we have to put 0 in that place. So, the number is 300. Next, 1.56. We are going to multiply it by 10. So, move the decimal point 1 place. So, it will come here. So, the number will be 15.6. Next, we are going to multiply it by 100. 100 has 2 zeros. So, move the decimal point two places to the right. 1 and 2. So, the decimal point will come here. So, the number is 156. Next, multiply it by 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros. So, we have to move the decimal point 3 places. 1, 2 and 3. Here we don't have any number. Here we don't have any number, so put 0 there. And the decimal point will come here. So, the number is 1560. And the decimal point will come here. This decimal point has no value because after the point we don't have any number. So, leave that decimal point. We are going to multiply it by 10. So, move one place to the right. So, the number is 23.45. Next, while multiplying it by 100, we have to move 2 places. 1 and 2. So, the number will be 234.5. Next, for 1000, we have to move 3 places. 1, 2 and 3. Decimal point will come after 5. So, the number is 2345. Here the decimal point will be there, but it has no value. So, we can leave that. Now, we are going to multiply it by 10. So, move one place to the right. So, the number is 10,212.31. Now, we have to move 2 places while multiplying it by 100. This is the first place and this is the second place. So, decimal point will come after 3. 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 3.1. So, the number is 1,02,123.1. Now, move the decimal point to the 3 places because 1000 has 3 zeros. 1, 2 and 3. Now, the decimal point will come after 1. We can leave the decimal point because after the decimal point we don't have any number. So, the number is 10,21,231.